Hello friends, dear parents, dear teachers and my dear students. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, developmental pediatrician and senior consultant in child guidance. This video explains the importance of interleaved practice, which is an effective learning strategy that helps to build stronger memory pathways in brain. Using this study technique, students will be able to learn better and recall the academic information in a better way. Interleaving is an active learning process where students mix multiple topics while they learn. In this learning strategy, each practice attempt will be different from the previous attempt. Thus, interleaving leads to switching between ideas while learning. To interleave while studying, students should choose to learn different topics during a study session from related subjects. After that, cycle back through the topics. Give enough time to each topic to ensure that a deeper level of understanding has occurred. Interleaving improves the ability of brain to differentiate between concepts, and this in turn will strengthen the memory associations. This effortful studying will produce better long-term results. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Interleaved practice has been shown to be effective for developing the skills of problem solving. Interleaved practice also divides memory into small chunks, which significantly improves the retention. By reviewing different topics in the same study session and returning to them repeatedly, students will be able to make their learning more effective. Students can use interleaved practice along with other learning strategies to get the best results in exams. Best wishes to all students. Have a nice day. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on best child development and parenting.